Crafting custom dental crowns, the artistry behind functional restorations. In the process of restoring the tooth that has been damaged or destroyed, and dental crowns, they play an essential role in the restoration of their function as well as appearance. Crowns made of dental material are customized caps which are placed on top of the tooth in order to protect and secure the tooth. They are made to be shaped in line with the shape, the size, and shape of natural teeth. They give the patient a natural and seamless smile. In this short video, we'll explore the art of creating customized dental crowns as well as the significance of functional restorations. The process of crafting custom dental crowns. Making custom-made dental crowns is a complex procedure that requires precision and expertise. The initial step of the procedure involves preparing the tooth in preparation for the crown. It involves taking out any affected or decayed areas of the tooth and then shaping the tooth to allow for the crown. After the tooth has been prepared and shaped, a mold of it is made by using dental glue or scanning technology. The impression used is then utilized to make a mold of the tooth. This will be sent to a dental lab for a custom-designed crown to be made. In the lab, an experienced dental technician uses the mold to design a customized crown that is sized the shape and shade of natural teeth. Technicians will make use of high-end material, like ceramic or porcelain, for a long-lasting as well as natural-looking crown. When the crown is completed and is returned to the dentist to be placed in its final place. The importance of functional restorations. Functional restorations, like dental crowns, play a vital role in ensuring the function and health of the teeth. If a tooth has been decayed or damaged and weakened, it could impact chewing capacity, as well as overall health. Crowns for dental use are made to bring back the functionality of teeth, which allows people to chew and talk correctly. Additionally, they shield the tooth's underlying structure from further injury and stop bacteria from getting into the tooth, thus reducing the chance of developing an infections. Custom-designed dental crowns are essential to maintain the appearance of your smile. Damaged or decayed teeth is unsightly and can affect the confidence of a person. Through the restoration of the tooth using an individual crown, patients will achieve an attractive, natural smile that improves the overall appearance. The artistry behind custom dental crowns. Making custom-made dental crowns takes an exceptional level of artistic ability and expertise. Dental technicians need to pay careful focus on the finer details to make sure that the crown is in line with the shape, size, and shade of natural teeth. Also, they must take into consideration the bite of the patient and jaw alignment in order to design an ideal crown that is seamless with the other teeth. Alongside technical expertise, dentists must possess an eye for design in order to design an appearance that is natural and is able to blend into the teeth around it. They should be able to reproduce the subtle details of natural teeth, like transparency and texture, so that a crown can be distinguished from the other teeth in the smile. In the end, creating custom dental crowns is an intricate and precise procedure that demands the combination of technical expertise as well as artistic skill. Working closely with an experienced dental technician, the patients will be able to create an aesthetic and functional restoration which improves their oral health and appearance. In the end, custom-made dental crowns are a vital instrument for the restoration of tooth decay or damaged teeth. When you understand the art of creating custom crowns as well as the significance of functional restorations, patients are able to take informed decisions regarding their dental treatment. If you're in the need of a crown for your teeth or are simply interested in the procedure, it's crucial to understand the expertise and artistic talent that go into making these vital restorations.